In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently utilize QuickBooks for your payment processing needs with a focus on leveraging the QuickBooks Go Payment app. Let's explore how to get started and make the most out of these tools to manage your transactions both smoothly and securely. First, you'll want to head over to the QuickBooks website. This is your hub for a wide range of financial management tools that are designed to simplify your business operations and help you handle accounting tasks with ease. If you're not yet familiar with QuickBooks, it's worth noting that it provides a comprehensive suite of services, which can be incredibly beneficial for small to medium-sized businesses. By accessing the website, you'll have all the resources at your fingertips to navigate through its functionalities. Next, let's talk about the QuickBooks Go Payment app, a powerful mobile application that extends the functionality of QuickBooks from your desktop to your mobile device. This app is particularly useful for those who are always on the go and need a reliable method to accept payments anywhere, anytime. What makes QuickBooks Go Payment stand out is its ability to accept credit and debit card payments seamlessly. Additionally, it supports contactless payments, including those made through digital wallets such as Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Samsung Pay. This flexibility can be a game changer for your business, as it ensures you can meet the diverse payment preferences of your customers. To download the QuickBooks Go Payment app, simply head to your mobile device's app store. Whether you're using an iOS or Android device, the app is available and easy to install. Once downloaded, you'll be prompted to sign in using your QuickBooks credentials. If you're already a QuickBooks user, this process should be straightforward. The app is designed to integrate seamlessly with your existing QuickBooks account, meaning all the transactions and data you handle through the app will sync automatically, allowing you to maintain seamless financial records across all your devices. After setting up and exploring the app, you'll find that using it is incredibly intuitive. The interface is user-friendly and guides you through various options for accepting payments. Whether it's through credit, debit, or contactless methods, QuickBooks Go Payment ensures transactions are processed swiftly, with detailed reports available at your fingertips to help you keep track of all business dealings. And there you have it. You're now ready to start managing your transactions with greater ease and security using QuickBooks and the Go Payment app. By following these instructions, you're not just optimizing your payment processing, you're also setting your business up for efficient financial management in the long run. Happy transacting!